Hello, friends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to UPSC Warrior. Welcome to a new course, a new channel, a new YouTube channel for the UPSC Warriors. The previous YouTube channel had to be, I wouldn't say taken down, it had to be shifted to a paid portal due to some copyright issues and due to some other politics in the UPSC universe. So, we have started this new channel for you as UPSC Warrior 2.0, and this will be a free channel. Okay, the previous videos which we had on modern history and your science and technology are shifted to the paid portal, and this channel is going to be a free channel where we'll be discussing and sharing the relevant current affairs material. Okay, mainly on YouTube, we want to focus only on current affairs from now on. So, I want to welcome you all basically to this discussion of Vision IAS ka PT 365 and polity. And before we begin, I just wanted to give you the legal disclaimer that I am in no way related to Vision IAS, right? UPSC Warriors is no way related to Vision IAS. We are just, Vision IAS owns all the copyrights for this PD 365 material. We are just making use of their material for teaching material, okay? As for educational purposes, as a teaching material, I'm just making use of this. And I'm basically giving you my commentary, my podcast. As you know, our explanation style, right? We have a very informal and very entertaining and engrossing way of understanding things. So all copyrights are owned by Vision IAS, and we'll be discussing the entire PT 365 as part of this discussion. Okay, and broadly, this is part of our program for current affairs prelims 2021 ka current affairs. Okay, a free course for current affairs for prelims 2021. Okay, friends. So as you know, as I keep telling in my previous videos also, ki for the prelims examination, for prelims only, please mind, not mains, for prelims examination, your current affairs, you have to be on the defensive mode. है ना? क्योंकि कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, they can ask you anything from hell and heaven for the current affairs, so prelims examination. So as a defensive mode, we need to be doing the bare minimum, okay, and a bit beyond. So bare minimum for the examination is PT 365 ka May to Jan 2021, right? So that will be starting out here. And along with that, we'll also be discussing some more additional sort of thing. Basically, I just wanted to tell you the plan will be having a 3-step plan. Okay, first is your March to May 2020. Next, your May to Jan, which is today's video, May to Jan 2021. And next is your updated material, which Vision IAS has given till roughly till September. Okay, I think September 15th or something we're planning. So in this way, we'll have the complete coverage of the current affairs. Okay, many of you keep asking me that, sir, current affairs kaise pade exam ke liye? What is the strategy for current affairs and all of that, right? So I've always told you that 1.5 years to current affairs we need to be preparing. 1.5 years. Okay, roughly. And for that, that's why I'm starting this new channel as discussion for the current affairs. Okay, and आप बस मेरे हाथ पकड़ के मेरे साथ चलो, मेरे आवाज को सुनो, मैं आपको रोशनी की तरह ले जाऊंगा, and we'll be discussing the complete current affairs. Okay, roughly, if you can say there are 25 to 30 questions directly or indirectly linked to current affairs, I can safely vouch that at least 20 questions will be coming from this series. Okay, because 1.5 years ka you'll be covering. So our target is 20 questions in prelims. Okay, definitely हमारे ये सीरीज से आना ही चाहिए, right, friends? So the entire PT 365 obviously will be discussing, and main subjects, as you know, but here we have polity. Next, similarly, we have other subjects. We have economy. We have our science and tech. We have environment. Science and tech, I have thought for the static knowledge and also a lot of current affairs. So if you have watched that series of my science and technology, you can skip this. Okay, though I'll be taking up here also. Science and tech also will be covering economy, science and tech, environment, and IR. Okay, these four. कल्चर देखेंगे. कल्चर अगर टाइम है तो देख पाएंगे हम. IR and schemes. Oops. Okay, sorry. That got deleted. Anyway, I hope you're aware of that all the PTs में क्या क्या books है except culture. Culture, I feel I strongly advise my students that culture जो होता है, culture आपके current affairs से नहीं पूछा जाता है. Okay, I feel according to me, like I have been in this field as an aspirant and teacher for more than 6 years. So according to me, culture is not something which will come from your current affairs. Okay, it is something from your static knowledge, but कभी कभार आ जाता है. उसके लिए आपको, I mean, if you read current affairs of culture, people think उससे हो जाएगा काम, उससे नहीं होगा काम. ठीक है. So इसको छोड़ के बाकी के पूरे PT 360 will be discussing, okay, as part of this series. Okay, and we'll have long classes, right friends? Let me tell you before, we'll have long, slow, mellifluous classes. They'll take up a lot of time. They're just like a radio. So, and it will be in real time basis. Okay, just like how we are studying, you'll be hearing these classes. Okay, this is not like how I teach in other institutes. It is not your typical teacher student thing. Okay, we have a guru and a shishya method, right, of teaching. This is not like that. Okay, this is a purely in here, at least I also would behave like an aspirant, okay, or more than aspirant. I like to call you my friends. That's why I introduce my class as friends. So this is a friends discussion. Okay, we'll have a small discussion, but the weird part is it's a one-way discussion. Okay, it's a one-way friends discussion. Okay, and of course two-way भी हो सकता है. If you can comment, if you can like, share and subscribe to this channel and also comment below the video, then it will become a two-way. And as you know from our previous video, I make sure that I read every comment of yours and I will reply to every comment of yours. Okay, soon maybe we'll have live classes also on this new channel, like how we had the history series. We'll have a live class also. But now let us begin our discussion of current affairs. Right? Chalo, that is enough intro. It's almost 8 minutes. So let us begin our discussion, friends, of polity. Okay, polity, and the main reason I have chosen Vision IAS ka PT 365 for our current affairs discussion is because the way they have covered polity this year is quite good. Okay, it is not fact based, it is very analytical based. Okay, it is a very very well researched document, I felt. Okay, and for last year mains also we had some classes, and they have made sure that they've incorporated even mains level topics. That was what was impressive. Okay, basic structure and all are actually typically your mains related topics. Okay, so they've done that. And before starting your discussion of this, I will obviously tell you that you'll need to finish your static knowledge. Okay, आपको लक्ष्मीकांत की किताब पढ़ना होगा, and after that you should be watching this. I think in our previous channel we had also had a video on how to read from Lakshmikant, right? I think some of you must have watched that video. That was one of our viral videos. Anyway, so it's better if you read Lakshmikant and you listen to these classes. Okay? But even if you haven't read, I mean, it's shocking if you haven't read for prelims 2021, but if you're preparing for prelims 2022 and if you haven't read, don't worry, I'll make sure that जो भी लक्ष्मीकांत में है वो यहाँ पे भी जिक्र करूँगा उसका. ठीक है? So the way they have divided the topic is issues related to constitution, next your legislature and local governments, and center-state relations, judiciary. Judiciary is extremely important for prelims. Every year we see questions from judiciary, static and current, and elections. Elections, though, I think I'll skim through this because I don't think elections, due to COVID-19 and all, we have been very far from elections, right? So I'm not expecting many questions from elections. And this is your pure current affairs. जो legislation bills दिया है, these are your pure current affairs. कि typically आपको कोई competition book पढ़ोगे तो आपको ये दिखेगा, important legislation ही लोग खत्म करते हैं, बट हम वैसा नहीं करेंगे, हम पूरा अच्छे से देखेंगे यहाँ पे, right friends? And we have our constitutional bodies and your important aspects of governance. Okay, governance में especially mission karni hogi, I'm expecting a question from this. So all of that we'll be discussing, friends, in today's class, and I think part of today's class will be discussing that. So the first news we have for today is issues related to the Constitution of India, and उसमें भी है first वाला is basic structure, है ना? Basic structure, which we had discussed for our mains related topics, that has come here also. Okay, basic structure also they have included in the PT 365 material.